In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cursor in BlueStacks BGMI. First, open BlueStacks and launch BGMI. You will see the BlueStacks interface, which is a familiar sight if you've used this emulator before. Once you click on the BGMI icon, it will take a moment to load the game. This is where your gaming experience begins, and it's crucial to ensure everything is set up correctly from the start. Pay attention to the loading screen as it prepares your game for action. This step is foundational because a smooth launch sets the tone for the entire gaming session. Next, press the F1 key to toggle shooting mode. You will notice an immediate change in how your cursor behaves. When shooting mode is on, the cursor will be hidden and your mouse will control the camera movements instead. This allows for a more immersive gaming experience, especially during intense gameplay moments. On the other hand, when shooting mode is off, the cursor will reappear, enabling you to interact with menus and your inventory. Understanding this toggle is important as it enhances your control over the game and allows for quick adjustments when needed. If you are using smart controls, the cursor will automatically adapt to your actions. It will appear when you open menus, your inventory, or the map, making navigation easier. Conversely, it will hide and lock when you return to gameplay, giving you an uninterrupted view of the action. This feature is significant because it streamlines your gaming experience. You won't have to manually toggle the cursor while switching between different game elements. If the cursor still isn't visible after these adjustments, make sure game controls are enabled. To do this, click on the keyboard icon located on the right toolbar. You will see a menu where you can verify that the controls are turned on. This step is essential because without enabling game controls, you may face difficulties navigating through BGMI. Ensuring that everything is set correctly here can save you frustration later on during gameplay. Finally, note that if you are playing in full-screen mode and the cursor doesn't appear after pressing F1, this could be a known issue affecting some versions of BlueStacks. In such cases, updating BlueStacks to the latest version is recommended. You can do this by navigating to the settings and checking for updates. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, consider submitting a report through help, then report a problem. This step is crucial because keeping your emulator updated ensures that you benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your cursor settings in BGMI while using BlueStacks. This will enhance your gameplay experience, making it smoother and more enjoyable. Don't hesitate to revisit these instructions whenever you feel the need to refresh your memory. Happy gaming!